Hey people, so this is the first time ever probably that I'm doing a review of a ad, like as in there is a certain Facebook ad that is released and it stars Sohela Kapoor. She's the sister of Shekhar Kapoor, the film director, and my god, I mean, there are times when you see an ad and it makes you emotional, and this is one of those times that I don't know, yeah. It took me a few days to kind of certain things are so impactful that they stay with you. No, it's been said that after Amitabh Bachchan saw this film of Abhishek Bachchan, that is the one starring Tapsi Pannu and Vicky Kaushal. That movie's name is just so uh, apparently that movie had such an impact on Amitabh Bachchan that he needed a few days to process it, and then he told Abhishek Bachchan just how much he liked him in that film. So for me, after watching this Facebook ad, which is all about this young man who decides that he needs to help out this whole group of people in Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh, to get them vaccinations, for the COVID injections, and it's all about how he's trying to convince this one, this mother figure, and she can't figure out why the mother figure is played by Miss Sohela Kapoor, so she can't figure out why this. Uh, that's my habit. Why this young man is so keen to get her vaccinated, but then towards the end of the ad, you see that this young man has apparently lost his family, like so lost his parents. So in their memory, he wants to kind of do something for the world, kind. So see, I'm getting emotional making this ad, maybe because it's been June 4th would make it 7 years of June 3rd of losing my mom. So it is it for anyone who's ever lost a parent. This ad by Facebook will really strike home. It'll so truly Facebook. Thank you for such a sensitive, awesome ad. This the ads like this make the whole viewing experience so worth it. Normally, when you see an ad, you want to just skip it, but this ad was something else. So thank you, Sohela ma'am. It's We can count on you to give us these really soul stirring performances. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.